What up, man? You ain't click on here by mistake. This moment is an intentional moment. One time for you, man. I ran across this grove of sycamore trees. And I knew it would be a great place to sit down somewhere and just do a little mindfulness, a little meditating. It's great to rest your eyes, but if you keep a soft gaze or throw on your shades, or if you choose to look at the screen, I just want you to be what you see. So go on and lay back and just chill. This body scan is intended to pay homage to the beauty of your life. Our body. Every body is good in their own way. Or should I say, every body is good in its own way. It doesn't matter how the world perceives us. We will be thankful for the body we embody. We carry childhood dreams in an adult mind. Knee or elbow bruise from hoop dreams. A heart broken from a person of the past. Feet sore from all that walking in the wilderness. Those dreams that the world made us forget about live in our bodies. So many changes and adjustments. The body remembers it all. Even when our hearts lie and our memory go bad, our bodies show what's going on from within. Yes, great effort still lives in our bodies. If you haven't yet, begin to rest your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft gaze. If you're willing to lay down, I want you to rest your palms on your stomach or place your arms on the side of your body with your palms facing up. If you'd rather sit up, then allow your feet to rest flatly on the floor. Puff your chest out and elongate your spine. With our eyes closed or keeping this soft gaze, I want you to peep out the sensations of your breathing through your body. This can come from your nostrils, your chest, or your stomach. Inhaling and exhaling. Let's take a minute to notice the pattern of our breathing. maintaining that soft gaze or with your eyelids resting, I want to just encourage you to fix your face. Fix your face. And continue to notice how your body feels. At this time, I want you to gently open your eyes to the serenity of the trees. If you're a bird or something, one of those trees, mine just got back to the nest. Been flying all day. Finna get my lady to lay an egg or something. Or just post up on a branch up at the top. Giving notice to our arms and our legs, our wings, as if we was a bird, giving notice to our arms and our legs. The elbows and the knees can slightly bend and contract the muscles. Our ankles and our wrists. Rotating our ankles and our wrists. Being mindful of how far we done came, how much we done pushed up, how much we done pulled. Being mindful of our hands and feet. We're thankful for what it is, man, and what it ain't. Peeping out your stomach and your hip area, man, notice the push and pull of our abdomen, or our chest. Noticing our rear cage going back and forth. Continuing to pay attention to our breathing and continuing to relax. With a body scan or any other form of meditation, our minds tend to be all over the place. Without proper exercise and taking time to do so, yeah, our mind's gonna be all over. But to be real, that's smooth. Don't worry about that. I want you to acknowledge and congratulate the whole idea of you even doing this. I want you to redirect your attention back to the moments of breathing. And without doing too much, I want you to become more intentional of every inhale and exhale. Noticing every full breath every inhale and every exhale. Allow your thoughts to come and go like that person in the background, breaking the leaves. Or allow your thoughts to come and go like the cargo plane that went through the video. Or allow your thoughts to come and go like that cloud that was created by the other plane toward the end of the video. If you had your eyes closed the whole time, I invite you to gently open them back up. And while doing so, I want you to continue to pay attention to those patterns of breathing. Just enjoy several more minutes of the beautiful scenery. And be encouraged, man. Be inspired by the sycamore trees. To know like just how they flying and swaying in the wind, that's how we do. But we still stand. We're gonna keep standing. Man, if you would, share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, man. Like, share it with others, man. I want us all to be more.